Welcome to my channel, Sink Cleaning Tools to Unclog and Cleaning. Pipe dredging brush, long clean kitchen sink. Cleaning drain pipe, flexible cleaner clog plug hole. 60 cam spring pipe dredging tools. Drain snake. Drain cleaner sticks, clog remover, cleaning household for kitchen bending sink tool. 65H, 160 cam sewer pipe, Unblocker clog plug hole, bathroom hair, cleaner shower pipeline, kitchen sink, dredging tool blockage. Pipe dredging brush hair, sewer sink, cleaning brush drain cleaner flexible cleaner clog hole, remover cleaning tools. Crevice cleaning brush, hard bristled crevice cleaning brush, 2024 new multifunctional gap cleaning brush tool. Mr. Seeger soap dispensing dish brush storage set, kitchen brush with holder for pot pan sink. KitchenAid soap dispensing sink brush with easy to fill handle, nylon bristles for tough cleaning, comfort grip handle. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.